heading out solo to run some errands. I have just a few things at a few places. I can't get everything at one place, so I'm just going to run around. That's why I'm not bringing any kids with me. So I am going to run to Safeway and get just a few things that are on sale. And they do these things where they'll give you a coupon for $5 off a $5 purchase or $5 or more purchase. And so if I need just a few things, it's easy to go in there and get them. And it's usually a good deal. I can run in and get the few things that are on sale and then $5 off beyond that. Sometimes they'll do like $10 off a $50 purchase, but every once in a while it's like $5 off. So you can just go in and spend $5 and get it for free if you only spend $5. Fred Meyer also has a couple really good deals right now. They have eggs on sale for 59 cents a dozen, which is the lowest price I think I've ever seen. Usually 99 cents a dozen is like a really good sale price. Autumn needs a new tube for her bike tire. So I'm going to grab that for her. I might run by Target. It depends on if I'm able to find everything I need at Fred Meyer. Seems like there's another place that I needed to go, but I can't think of what it is right now. And I can't look at my list because it's on my phone and I'm using my phone for filming. All right. So one other thing that I was going to look for here and possibly at Safeway too is like those Ziploc containers that are Christmas themed. I usually get those for putting truffles in to gift, and because I always like to give something that can be reused rather than like a Christmas tin. No one reuses those, or at least not. A lot of people just throw them away, or other, just throwaway stuff. But if you have a plastic like Ziploc container, you'll probably use it again. So I was at Target the other week and I did not see them. Maybe they just haven't gotten them in yet, although it seems like they should have them in by now. A couple people have asked recently about my bags. I love them. They're like box bags, and I got them here at Fred Meyer. I'll try to show you where. There they are. $5. 59 cents. Gonna grab Autumn's bike tire, but I gotta get someone to unlock this for me. Alright, got that. And then the last thing we need is just some spaghetti noodles for an instant recipe that I'm gonna be doing pretty soon. There's some. Those might work, but I'd rather find the Glad ones. Maybe I'll get these. They're kind of cute. These are cute too. They just have a different color, like sparkly lid, but they don't have a lot of the right size. This looks like the only bigger one. And I got these ones. Oh, they got some bigger ones down here. I still like the other ones better, I think. Look at how cute these are. It's a string of Christmas lights. And it's got the cookie cutters. That is so cute. That'd be a really cute decoration for like in the kitchen. Adorable.
Welcome, valued customer. If you have your shopper's card, scan it now.
So I grabbed, 5 packs of 3. Yeah, 5 packs of 3 of the Ziploc containers in different colors. Those will be fun. I like the Glad ones a lot, but I did the Glad ones last year, so you don't want it to look the same every year. So having something a little bit different is good. And I don't know what the deal is with Glad, if they're not making Christmas ones this year or what, but I couldn't find them. We'll see at Safeway. Maybe they'll have them there. All right, so I got 3 dozen eggs, and I actually had another coupon for 40 cents off. So I got them for about 45 cents a piece, which is an amazing deal. And then I grabbed my spaghetti. I'm going to be doing a spaghetti with meatballs in the Instant Pot. I'll do a video on that pretty soon. I might be able to film that tomorrow. And then Autumn's bike tire, that's what she needed. And so let's see, the total that I spent was $28.30. Next stop is Safeway. Bell peppers are on sale. I wanted to grab some of those. I'm gonna get some heavy cream. I love that they have this big organic heavy cream here. So great. I'm gonna get 2.
Welcome. If you have your club card, 34.99.
So this is all I ended up with from Safeway. I got a total of a half gallon of organic heavy whipping cream. These are each normally $5, and then I got $5 off my basket, so it's almost like I just got one of these for free, which is an amazing deal. And then 6 bell peppers, which were also on sale. So total that I spent was $10.18. Headed into Target next. Just waiting for the Max train to go by. For Levi. Alright, here's the bigger ones. But I don't think I need any bigger ones this year because we're not going to any parties. And I got the other little ones here. It looks like they only have red. Huh. Oh well. I think I'll grab a couple more, and then I know that I can come back and get more, at least red ones, if I need any more. So I had the idea of doing a video about the different Instant Pot accessories that you can get at Target, like these kind of things. So I was going to check them out and see. Let's see. I guess they only have trivets. Oh, this is a little steamer basket, I guess. I don't know. It's an idea. I was thinking about it because I have a set of Costco accessories, and I'm going to do a video on that. And I was wondering if one on Target accessories would be good, but I might have to look around and see if they have more than just those, because that's not a lot. Last thing I wanted to check out was slippers. Thought they might have some good ones. I'm in the market for a new pair, but I'm kind of picky about the ones I like, so I just have been shopping around. All right, here's some. These are super cute. Except I don't need extra large. Maybe they have some more somewhere. Aw, Charity would like those. Those are cute. I think I'm going to grab these for Charity for Christmas. She's going to love them. I think I'm going to do these. They look nice and comfy and pretty cute. Oh, they have the gray ones down here too. Or kind of blue. Well, maybe I will do the blue ones, because they have the right size. All right, this was my biggest haul, $83.72. The slippers were not very cheap. Yeah, they were $20 for the big ones and $13 for the small ones, but decided to go with it anyway. I picked up a couple planners and a calendar. I needed a new wall calendar, and this one was cute, and for $3, you can't really go wrong. Both of these looked interesting, and I kind of want to check them out. They're weekly, let's see. This one's weekly. I was thinking this one might work well for like a meal planner that I can have in the kitchen near the fridge. I'm not sure. And again, each of these were only $3. So it's kind of like, well, I might as well grab it. And if I don't end up loving it, the kids can play with it. And they love that kind of thing to color in and pretend with. So I figured I can't go wrong with those. Of course, I got the 2 slippers. These are so cute. Slippers for me. See how those hold up. I like deer foam slippers. I've had them before. Then in here, I grabbed Levi a new toothbrush. He's been struggling with the one he has, and I thought it would just be easier to have one that was electric or battery operated for him, just so we don't struggle through it so much. And then my lips have been in rough shape recently, so I grabbed 2 of these. They're the Burt's Bees Lip Shimmer, and this is like the holiday collection. This is the warm one. And then there was also the cool collection, and they were 25% off for like packets of things like this. So regular $9.99, got them for $7.49, which still is a little spendy, but I'm excited to try them. Got 3 toothpastes for the kids because they had a get $5 gift card if you bought 3. So of course I grabbed 3 because we go through it. And then just 2 more packs of the red Ziploc containers. It's almost 2:30 and I have not eaten lunch yet, and I underestimated how long I'd be able to go without eating. So I was super hungry, and there's a Chipotle right here by Target. So grabbed myself a burrito bowl. And indoor dining is banned right now here in Oregon, or at least in the county I'm in. And so I am going to sit here in my car and eat my burrito bowl. I'm putting the secret things away and wanted to show you real quick the other thing that I got for charity a while back for Christmas that'll go perfectly with these slippers. I found this at Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a pillow. She loves making her bed. For a long time, it's been her thing where she just takes her time, makes it perfect, loves to have little pillows and make it, the blanket all flat. And so this will be absolutely perfect for her, and her cute little slippers to match. I'm going to open these up real quick and show you guys what they look like on the inside. It's kind of hard to see with the tiny little example they give there, just to get an idea of how it's going to work. All right, this is the weekly planner, and it's got some stickers in here. Oh, and it's got a little pocket here that she can put stuff in. The stickers are cute. They're nice and simple, just black and white and gray. All right. Okay, so it's not a dated planner, which is nice. Let's see, it doesn't even say 2021 on it. So that's nice because it's like if I don't use it starting January, it's not going to just go to waste. So it's got squares for everything, and it's just the same thing all the way through. There's no monthly pages. It's all just weekly. And I'm thinking if there's a way that I could get this to stay on the fridge somehow, I'm going to have to think about that because I have my little notepad up on the fridge that has our meals for the week. And I like that, but I would like to have something to flip back through to see the different meals and not just throw away the sheet every time I rip it off. So I thought something like this would work really well. And there's so much space on here. I'm sure I'll be able to add more stuff than just, what's for dinner that day. So I'm going to play with that and see how that works. Let me check this one out. So this one is really thick. It's got a lot of pages. So this is going to last forever. If each one of these is a week, let's see how long. It's 100 sheets. So that's going to last almost 2 years if you use one sheet per week. So that's nice. It's going to last a while. All right. And then this one is this one is a 52 sheet. So it is just for 1 year weekly planner. And I like this one because it is like a to-do list planner. And I love having a to-do list for the day. It's so easy to go through the day. And it's not like I'm being lazy because I'm a mom and I work, from the moment I get up to the time I go to bed, because there's always somebody that needs something. There's always something that needs to be done, and I'm doing stuff. But just to put like an intentional list down of things that I could try to get done. I try to have grace for myself because as a mom, things come up and I don't always get done things I want to get done, and that's okay. But just to have it on the list makes it so much easier to just go and do that thing whenever I do have the time, rather than when I happen to have some time trying to think of something to do, if that makes sense. So I'm not sure. Oh, is this I know what this is, I think. Is it supposed to stand up? Okay, this makes more sense. So it opens up like this, and then it stands like that. That makes a little more sense, although it's not very sturdy yet. Let's see. All right, there you go. That's cute. Interesting idea. I'll have to see where a good place to put this would be. But I really like it. I think it's super cute. And you got the to-do list, but then you've also got a few spots to put other stuff if you need to put other stuff. And again, it's not dated, so you can just use it as you need it. And skip weeks. If you happen to skip a week, you don't just waste a page. I like that. And I think this calendar is super cute too. I really like it. It's simple, but it's got some flair. Thanks for keeping me company on my shopping trip. Hope you guys are all doing great. I will talk to you again in the next video.